What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I want to talk about one of the best side hustles for 2023, and it's something that I've been doing for a while now, and it's been working like crazy for me. Now I'm not talking about affiliate marketing because nobody wants to click my links, and no, I'm not talking about doing surveys because that's a waste of time, and I'm definitely not speaking about transcripting on rev.com because that is a huge scam. What I'm talking about is totally free. It can be done at your leisure, and it's true passive income. Now what I'm talking about is selling royalty-free public domain images on Redbubble. Now for those of you who don't know, images in the public domain are completely free to use, and not only can you use them for yourself, but you can also use them in commercial projects as well, meaning that you can sell other people's pictures and artwork legally without paying any royalties. Now a quick Google search of free public domain images will give you a bunch of different websites with stockpiles of free pictures and artwork that you can resell. Now personally, I like to use rawpixel.com, which has an enormous database of public domain images. Now if you're not familiar with Redbubble, it's a platform where you can upload your designs and they will take care of everything from printing and shipping to customer service and returns. All you have to do is sit back, grab a mimosa, and collect the money. Now let me tell you why selling royalty-free public domain images on Redbubble is one of the best side hustles for 2023. First of all, you don't have to worry about promoting worthless products through affiliate marketing or clickbank. With Redbubble, you're selling something that people actually want and need. Cool designs on various products like t-shirts, mugs, stickers, bath rugs, and a whole lot more. Secondly, you don't have to waste your time doing surveys online only to get rejected or get paid pennies on the dollar for your hard work. With Redbubble, you're in control of how much you make. You can work at your leisure as much or as little as you want, and the more work that you put in, the more you're going to get out of it. Thirdly, you don't have to clock in and work for somebody else. No, with Redbubble, you're your own boss. You could work from home. You could work on your own schedule. You could work from a private island. You could work from your bedroom, or you could work sitting on the toilet. It don't matter. You're going to be making money doing something that you actually enjoy, something that's creative. And lastly, selling royalty-free public domain images on Redbubble is a truly passive side hustle. Once you upload your designs, you don't have to do anything else. Everything is handled by Redbubble, even the returns and the customer service. So all you have to do is sit back and let Redbubble hand you the money. So if you're looking for a side hustle that's easy, fun, and can potentially make you a lot of money, then you should definitely consider selling royalty-free public domain images on Redbubble. Trust me, it's the best decision that I have ever made, and it can be for you too. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe.